Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to PGK Government Jobs YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, I am uploading central and state government jobs notifications full details. In this video, I would like to explain about a very good opportunity central government jobs notification released by Defense Academy. Indian Military Academy released a very good notification. Before going to details about that notification, I want to introduce about our app Ganesh Government Jobs app. This is the mobile app. In this app, I created this app for you who are prepared sincerely seriously for government jobs. In this app, I uploaded recently central and state government jobs notifications. If you want latest notifications, latest government jobs news, please download this mobile app, Ganesh Government Jobs app. This app you didn't find in Play Store. I will give a link, mobile app link in this description link. If you want new notifications regarding central and state government jobs, download this app from description link. Friends, this government job channel, already I told to our students, within 1 year I will upload 100 notifications from central and state government jobs. Already I uploaded 24 notifications. See, these 24 notifications already I uploaded. This is the my app. If you observe this app, from first notification to 24 notifications, within 3 months I uploaded. See friends, this is the first notification. uh, this older post coming to, if you open this app, you can get like this: first government jobs introduction. Next, this is the first notification released, notification number 1, Indian Air Force. This, like this notification 2. In the same way, still now, today, still today, I uploaded 24 notifications, totally 24 notification. I This is the notification number 24. Recently I uploaded Indian Military Academy Defense Civilian posts. This post, type of post, LDC, MTS, messenger, laboratory attendant and other posts. Qualification 10th class or enter plus 2. Salary, starting salary 25,000 and allowances. For full details, this is the my website, Ganesh Government Jobs wordpress.com. This is the my own website, and this is the Ganesh Government Job. Already you are seeing this displayed. This is the app, Ganesh Government Jobs app. This offline application, speed post, through speed post, last date is the 30 December 2021. If you want this notification full details, you can download this notification in the description link I uploaded. Coming to this original notification, already displayed, this is the employment newspaper original notification, Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. Friends, these posts are civilian, defense civilian posts. If you observe these posts, there are different posts are. This is the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. All Indian citizens are eligible to these all posts. No height, no weight, no running, no physical. Only for essential qualifications is must. Desirable qualification is optional, not needed. Essential qualification is um, compulsory. So coming to post details, cook. There are 12 posts in each categories. You can download this full notification from the description link and app link and website. First of all, cook 12 posts, cook IT 3 posts, MT driver 10 posts, bootmaker 1 post, LDC 3 posts, Masalsi 2 posts, waiter 11 posts, fatigue man 21 posts, MTS Sapaiwala 26 posts, groundsman 46 posts, GC orderly 33 posts, MTS Chowkidar 4 posts, groom 7 posts, barber 12 posts, 2 posts, equipment repairer 1 post, bicycle repairer 3 post, MTS messenger 2 posts, laboratory attendant 1 post. Friends, I am giving suggestion to you. Among these all posts, there are 3 posts are very good for ladies and boys and others all members. LDC lower divisional clerk is very good post. This is the related to computer operating jobs, typing the letters and printing the letters. This is the very good job. LDC 3 posts are available. And next coming to MTS messenger also very good post, 2 posts are there, and laboratory attendant one post. These three are I suggest to you. You can apply LDC, MTS messenger, laboratory attendant. If you interested to another jobs, you can also apply more than one post. For each application, each post separate application. Coming to qualification details, LDC lower divisional clerk essential qualification 12th class and typing speed 30 words per minute. This is the typing speed only qualification, not for marks, only qualified nature. You can apply if you complete 12th class plus 2, you can apply to LDC post. Next friends, MTS messenger. This is the qualification is the 10th class matriculation. Essential means compulsory. Desirable means optional, whether you have or not, no problem. Laboratory attendant also 10th class qualification. Overall LDC, for LDC post 12th class qualification, there is no need to computer certificate. And MTS messenger and laboratory attendant 10th class qualification. Friends, coming to main instructions, age limit 18 to 27 years for these some posts, and relaxation SC/ST relaxation also there, 5 years plus. Fees, if you unreserved category 50 rupees Indian postal order you have to pay in post office. Otherwise SC/ST women's categories no fees. Coming to last date 45 days. Already I explained what is the last date. These December 2021, 30 December 2021. Coming to exam details, there are written test 4 parts: general intelligence 25 marks, general awareness 50 marks, general English 50 marks, numerical aptitude 25 marks. Total 150 marks, 2 hours time. Friends, if you want to apply for this notification, you have to type this application form, pro forma of application. I can give this application format in description link. This total PDF page, you can download that PDF and you can retype this pro forma of application from here to pro forma of application for the post of from here to last tak, here tak. This page you have to type and write on the, write with pen, this fill up this application and post to the main address you have to the commanding, you have to send the main address, Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. So if you have any doubt regarding to this notification, please post your doubt in comment section. I will give reply. This is the offline application form, not online. This is the offline application form. You have to fill carefully this application form, and you have to send and write address correctly. If you write correctly, you can get hall ticket by post. Friends, one important point is coming to this here. Only 50 candidates for post will be called for written examination. 1:50 competition for written examination, and 10 candidates per post will be called for skill test. 1:10 for skill test. This is the very good opportunity, friends. Don't miss it. Don't this notification regarding to Indian Military Academy, Dehradun Defense Civilian Post. This is the very good opportunity. Don't miss it. You cannot get this notification again. This is the very good opportunity. Apply to all. If you want to any doubts, please post this comment section. I will give reply. Friends, in thank you very much for watch this video up to end. In next video another notification, I will explain another notification. Okay, if you like this video, this employment notice notification, like this video, and this video if useful to your friends, share this video. Okay friends, we will meet in next video with new notification. Bye.